In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can send money on the Wise mobile app. So to get started, select the balance that you want to send the money from, then select send, select add recipient if you're sending money to a person for the first time, and you can search for their local currency. Now if their local currency is not supported, select USD and the local bank will convert it to the equivalent currency. Enter bank details here. Choose who you're sending to, whether it be yourself, someone, or a business or organization. Now for the recipient bank's detail, if the recipient is in the United States, then you select ACH. For international clients, you can use Wire or Swift. Now in my case, Swift is what I'll use. Enter the account's holder information, right? So their full name, the bank Swift code, you can easily find this on Google, and the account number of the individual, and then select confirm. Enter the amount that you would like to send and then select done. Here it shows an estimate date when the money will arrive, and it shows the total fees to send the money. So select continue, select an option for transfer, and then select submit. Select continue and then review and confirm and send. However, I do not want to send any money at this point in time. I just wanted to share with you how you could achieve this. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and leave a comment.